It's undeniable that 3D printing is taking a skyrocket in terms of what it's being used for globally right now. And it was always a bit of a science fiction dream of ours that you could teleport medical equipment to anywhere on Earth. The hardest part was convincing people of what this could do, because you don't think it's going to be anywhere near utility phase right now. PolyUnity was birthed out of an original idea that me and my two co-founders had while in medical school. You know, most times, the first time any medical student or resident does a procedure, it's on a person. Doing training simulations that are more true to real life and having a little stepping stone in between, it gives you a little more confidence. It allows you to have the muscle memory down to perform that a little better. So we just wanted to design, create, and print things, and based on a central library of things, just run your own local in-house manufacturing. So this is our tracheotomy simulator. Underneath is the trachea with all the appropriate landmarking that you'd need to identify the critical spot to put the airway in. And a secondary membrane that we applied here that gives you the tactile feedback as you're going through with the scalpel. And then on the inside, the trachea has rings. And when you place the airway, it clicks down the different rings of the trachea to make sure you know you're in the right place. And this model has actually been used for resident training in several schools. I think you'll see very soon applications are going to be cleared FDA-wise, Health Canada-wise, and more globally on even 3D printing prosthetic parts for surgeries, custom hip replacements, or custom replacements for bones in your face if you have to get them removed from a cancer perspective or something like that. And even more so, customized medical devices, so orthotics for your shoes or knee braces that are built to your anatomy. I do think there's going to be a big wave of customized medicine, a big wave of customized design in healthcare, but also just in a lot of other industry. And what we hope to do is just make that process more accessible, cheaper, and reasonable to do as a company.